Hi everybody, welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button you see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell beside that subscribe button, and I always recommend that you press it. It's called the notification bell, and then YouTube will inform you that I just uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive and I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button and ring that bell and you're all set. The last thing I want to mention before we get started is that thumbs up. That thumbs up is found right underneath this video. It is so important on the YouTube platform for a YouTuber to grow with your participation, and how you can help is with that thumbs up. It takes 1 second. Like I said, it's right underneath the video. You press it, it will turn blue, the number will increase, and it gets registered at YouTube. This way, other people that haven't had the opportunity to meet me yet on this huge platform, YouTube will then kind of treat it like a shout out. They will put my videos in front of other people's feeds, and then they will have the opportunity to meet me. All right? Okay, here we go. I'm really excited because today is the IPSY GLAM bag. This is where, to me, it all starts. This is the bag that used to be $10, now it's $12, but everything with IPSY started with this bag, and all of the IPSY bags come with a customized bag, and the design or the fabric is usually the same throughout the bags. They've done some changes now with the Plus where it's a drawstring and it's a different fabric, but I am so excited. These bags are really good quality bags. They're nice to give as gifts. They're nice to put some little products in it and then give this to somebody. I just think these are fantastic, and they're always lined, and they always usually have, yeah, the IPSY logo on the inside and something on the tassel as well. So very well done. The zippers are good. It's a really nice quality bag, and that does not get included in the count of the bags. This starter bag that's $12 a month includes the shipping, but it also gets you into the IPSY family, and I always tell you that's the most important thing. Not only do you get to choose one product that you can customize for yourself within a group that they give you of products, which you can do in all the bags, and now on the Plus that you could do 3, and now they're doing the X, which I'll leave that video that I did about that in the description box down below. But what's great about this is this was supposed to be solely deluxe sample sizes, and they always seem to throw in at least one, for me anyways, that I've seen, one full size. This time in my month's box, I got 3 full size, which is crazy. And the one that I chose as my choice, it was a sample size, but it was a product that I've always wanted to try. So it does come with a card. The information is in the card, but we haven't been getting information in the card before, but I love when it's in this box, more important than all the others, because you get deluxe sample sizes here, and what the information that they put in the card also includes the price what the full size item is going to be. And that's always something I want to know, that before I fall in love with something, I don't want to fall in love with a $100 cream. You know what I mean? Things like that. So I really appreciate that they do that. But I do my own notes because I want to get a little bit more information. I want to know more about the brand. Here they give you enough of a snippet that if you're opening it up for yourself and you just want to know, then it's great. But for me, because I have the channel, I like to give a little bit more information. So I'm not going to be using the information on the card, but I am going to give you some information that's on the back of the card. And what's on the back of the card is they're saying to save the date from November 27th to the 30th. They're going to be running I guess an 85% off sale, and I think they're going to be doing kits. So they're going to be doing a hair and makeup for $29.99. They're saying it's going to have a value over $175, and they're saying it's going to have 5-star products. Right this way, snag this lineup for the editor phase from MAC, Way, and Benefit, and more. They have a skincare edit for $39.99. That's for 200 and plus, and the brands that they kind of mentioned here are 111 Skin and Sunday Riley. And then they have a luxe edit that's for $59.99 that has a value over $300, and they're saying that this one is going to include some Kate Somerville and a Murad and for your next level hygiene. So just wanted to make sure, so save this date, November 27th to the 30th. All right? Okay. All right, let's get started because I am so excited. All of a sudden I got an itchy nose. Okay. All right. The first item that I'm going to start with is from Bobbi Brown. I'm just going to wipe my hands. And this is the one that I picked for myself, and I'm so excited about this. This is a product that I tried a long time ago, and I remember enjoying it, but I remember the full size was at that time out of my price range. So it was something that I enjoyed, but it was something that I never repurchased simply because of the price alone. Her products, I think, are outstanding, but it came in this cute little box. This is the sample size that I got, and it's a nice sample size. It's not a shallow bottom or anything. So let me read to you what's written on here, and then I'll go through this with you. This is the Bobbi Brown Cosmetics. It's called the Vitamin Enriched Face Base. It says it's your smoothest, softest complexion awaits. This moisturizer is basically a one-way ticket to baby, soft skin. It's infused with vitamins B, C, and E, and the nourishing repair protects skin from environmental aggressors, pollution, and the blue light. The blue light is what we get from the cameras, the phones, our computers. It says a dose of shea butter instantly hydrates skin for a cushiony but totally non-greasy feel. This multitasker works as a primer too. It massages into your skin before your face makeup for a flawless finish. The full size of this is usually 50 ml, and it's about a $60 value. During Christmas time, a lot of companies will do like a buy one, get one, and you can look for those type of sales. But I wanted to retry it again in this size to make sure at this stage that my skin's still gonna love it as much as it did in the past. It says about the brand, it's founded by a legendary makeup artist, Bobbi Brown, for nearly 30 years ago. This brand has been creating some of the most loved formulas for decades to make makeup enhance, not hide, your natural beauty. And then it simply says to apply a scoop of this moisturizer to just cleanse skin, avoid the eye area, and before your makeup application. Like I said, I'm so excited to have the opportunity to try this. And usually I don't remember ever seeing this, you know, in the $3 section. I'm just going to take a little bit from the lid here because I don't want to, it's just a very lightweight cream, and it just has that cream scent, like a moisturizer scent, not like anything that, you know, stands out like a fragrance. And it's just very moisturizing. And what I loved about it when I was younger, and now I'm combo, but I used to be really a lot oilier. This was the only cream for me that I felt as an oilier or a combo type of girl, that it didn't over moisturize my skin, but it gave me the hydration that my skin needs. Because your skin, even if you're oily or combo, you need hydration. So that's really important. Okay, the next item that we got, I'm really excited that they're starting to do things like this, because I thought I would really miss the Sephora because of the sample sizes we used to get of perfumes. And lately, the IPSY has been putting perfume samples, but better perfume samples. Ones that look like this, like cylinders almost. So I'm really excited to get this, and I got to try a couple of really good ones that I I fell in love with. This one is from a brand that I'm not familiar with, and it's called Commodity, and it came in this beautiful packaging called Gold, and then this is the cylinder that was inside here. Okay, and what they wrote about this, and also when I do these notes, sometimes in the IPSY website, when we're doing all of our picking, they have some discount codes. So what I do is I snag those discount codes and I put them in my notes so that when I leave in the description box the products that I talk about with the pricing that they're saying the values are, if there's a discount code for us to go to the manufacturer's website, I put that code also in the description box. It's a lot of extra work, but it's something that I know I would want to use. So I figured that's something that maybe you guys would want as well. So I do that. All right, so this one has a 15% off code. And it says, in the market for a new fall fragrance, this intoxicating will make, a scent will have you hooked at first spritz. It has the notes of bergamot, amber, sandalwood, and a vanilla to give off the warm, sensual vibes. Is perfect for the cooler weather. Give this bottle a permanent spot on your vanity. This chic white metallic packaging is totally going to be display worthy. The full size 100 ml of this is $105. This is a 5 ml, and it says it's dedicated to creating the premium lifestyle fragrances with the element of names created in collaboration with some of the world's most accomplished artisans. All of their fragrances are unisex, they're cruelty-free, paraben-free, and sulfate-free. Now, the thing that I wanted to tell you, I sprayed the box ahead of time because sometimes The scents don't always agree with me, so I don't like to spray myself. And usually I've already, done my morning routine, and I usually put a perfume on. This one I put on the box, and I'm telling you, it is beautiful. And you really smell the vanilla. So if you like vanilla, even this I sprayed early on, and I'm only filming this later, this still has that scent on it. So it's a really good quality product. The next one we got is the first full size that was in my box, and it was from Moda Brushes. And the brand really is impressing me, this Moda. Some of my favorite brushes that I have are from the Moda Pro line, and they have a handle that's black that has, it's not a smooth surface. All of a sudden I can't think of what I'm trying to say, but that's what this brush is. So this one is called their Neon Angled Shader. Whether you're loving summery pops of color or you're feeling something neutral, this angled shader brush will help you achieve it with ease. It's a good makeup brush, shouldn't break the bank, which is why we love the affordable pro quality option. Not only are these bristles the perfect shape and size for applying eyeshadow, they're vegan and cruelty free too. Get a grip. This brush has an easy to use wash. It has a waterproof handle that won't slip or glide into your hand. And they're saying this is full size and it's $5.99. They're saying Moda makes makeup brushes that are stylish, fun, and affordable, and most importantly, they have quality. And that's what this looks like here, and it feels really, really nice. And I like that it's this crazy color orange. First of all, I love orange, but it'll be easy that when I place it in my holder, that I'll be able to find it a little bit easier. Really, really happy to get that. The next item that I got is from OFRA Cosmetics. And this I went into my stash because I have been very lucky on IPSY, where either it's in the $3 section or I'm able to get products in the shopper. And I've been getting a lot of the highlighters that are full size. And these are every day on the Ofra website, $35. And I fell in love with the Ofra highlighters when I first purchased my one in Rodeo Drive, and ever since then, anytime they came out with a new one, I kind of look on IPSY to see if they're going to get it. And sometimes the companies like IPSY and stuff, if there's going to be a packaging change or things like that, and they don't, they might get that inventory. The one that I have in my stash is black, but the newest one that's white, even on their website, is the one that's in the bag. So I'm really happy about that. I'm going to keep that one closed and put that in my gift giving area. This one here is the one from my stash, and this one is in the color called Blissful, which is the one that's in here. And this one says, it says glow goals coming right up. This gorgeous golden bronzer highlighter with rosy undertones is a one-way ticket to your most radiant skin ever. This plush pearl pigments catch the light to illuminate your features and give your complexion a warm, shimmery sheen. This unique powder formula uses a liquid to bake technology to ensure maximum color payoff, and it's a serious sparkle every time you swipe it on. Not only is this powder pro quality, it's vegan and cruelty free too, which they consider a win-win. And this is the one that we got in here, the full size at $35. And what they're saying about the brand is, they're saying it was founded by a beauty guru called Ofra. That's her first name, and her husband over 24 years ago. OFRA Cosmetics is a brand adored by celebrities, Olympic athletes, and makeup pros. They all are about the products that make you look and feel good 24/7, with the essentials with transition from work to weekend and day to night. There's something for every lifestyle. So this is what you do. You just sweep it on your forehead, nose, cheekbones, Cupid's bow, anywhere you want to glow. And this is one that I've used a lot. And you see, you don't go through these. They are just fantastic. And I'm going to do a once around so you guys can see the color. It is so beautiful. And that's what it looks like there. It is just stunning. And I'm so impressed with the Ofra highlighters. They last all day. I think I'm wearing one today. I don't think this is the Blissful because I put it out here. I just enjoy them so much. All right, the next one is also a full-size item. So far we've talked about the two full-size items, which is the brush and the highlighter. The last full size is a balm, and it is called Lasting Smiles, and it looks like that. And it says there's also a promo code on here that's a 10% off, which I'll leave in the description box down below. It says, meet your favorite new lip balm. It makes your lips look gorgeous, and it smells so good too. You'll want to swipe it on all day. It's a combo of coconut, shea, and cocoa oils, which will transform your dry chapped lips into the plush, pillowy pout of your dreams. It's made with sustainable, organic, and cruelty-free ingredients. This balm does right by everyone, including the earth. This is the full size, and it's only $5.99. And about the brand, it says, now this really makes us smile. It's called Lasting Smiles is the brand name. Gives back to those in need with lip care products that raise funds for water projects around the world. It's using sustainable growth and will source organic ingredients. Every product they make makes us feel good inside and out. And it says, just stash this lip balm in your makeup bag, your car, your desk, anywhere to keep your lips soft, moisturized all day long. So I think this is fantastic. And that's why I always recommend that if you don't know where to start, and if you don't know if you want to get into subscription bags every month or boxes, this is where you start. And it's a $12, and it brings you into the IPSY family. You get access to add-ons. You get access to the shopper, which is deals that you can get every day at 9 a.m. I just love everything IPSY. And now that IPSY and BoxyCharm are joining forces, to me, it is an absolute win-win, and it is the least expensive way to get within the family. So just to recap, we get a bag in every bag, but this is the one that we get in the $12 one. I got the Bobbi Brown, I'm really excited, cream. I got a perfume that I cannot wait to enjoy. We got the Moda brush, we got the full size of the Ofra Highlighter, and then we got a balm. And that's everything that I got, and I wanted to have this opportunity to share it with you. So once again, as always, I appreciate so much that you guys take any time out of your day, that you choose to spend it with me here. So thank you. But more importantly, during this time, it is so important that everybody continues to stay safe so we can all stay well and able to enjoy. And I'll see you all soon in my next video. Take care, and bye-bye for now.